right, Brent, so what's the next project we got going on?
So we got a lady on the island that it's a refurbished project because she has a table made out of a set of doors that came from Mexico, and it's a coffee table, and it was encased and everything. Super nice piece of furniture, but it's in rough shape.
Yeah, age does that to it.
Yeah, so I believe one of the sides is broken out. The legs actually are coming off of the table. So, I mean, like I said, it's pretty tore down. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the whole bottom of it, and we're going to put oak around for the stringers all the way around. And then we're going to encase the doors in oak also. And basically just give it a once over and make it look nice again. I mean, like I said, the pieces that are on it right now are falling off. So we've got to put some brackets in the corner. We've got to figure out a way to get the legs to stay on it and attach, because they're coming off I think they were attached by nails, but they're literally coming off the table with everything. So yeah, we got to refurbish this table and get it right.
Well, very cool. Guess we gotta get started on it. In a minute.
I'm gonna finish my drink first. So we stained the oak, and with a color that we found that really did look like it was going to match this particular piece. It did not. The oak being a lighter color just didn't take it as hard as it should have, and it looked like a brand new piece of wood, obviously, when I went up to it, because it's a brand new piece of wood. So we kind of did an experiment. We got our grinder, put a wire wheel on it, and started eating up the board. Now, if you'll look at one of these corners, wherever the picture is, you'll get a close-up of this. So this is the piece of wood that we made with the wire wheel, and this is the piece of wood that we didn't use the wire wheel on. This is going to match the wood a whole lot better than this is. So we kind of created more work for ourselves, but because we're going to heat up these pieces with the wire wheel so that we can get the older look in the piece of wood and then restain it. And when you restain it, then it does match the wood that's on it.